Yo, what's up traders? Welcome back to another video. So today I wanna talk about an excellent trade that occurred yesterday on gold and a few things to to check to guarantee your consistency in making money from the market. So as usual, I have my reference point. So this is my reference point. Alright? Now, the previous day, it was just a consolidation and then a very big pump to close up high. Now, the next day, from our reference point, we see the market is consolidating below the open. And then, in the first hour of the London session, this is gold, the market breaks above it. Now it breaks and then breaks back in. So in my mind I know that this might be a stop hand. The way it is formed, when you go to the 1 minute time frame, you will see the way it has formed. This is a very big energy candle, let me call it that. So the first hour, of course, sets the high and the low of the session. So keep in mind that the first hour sets the high and the low of the session. Now look at the way the market, look at this formation. This is a pump to the high. And then they come again to the reference point, the second hour. So we are going up higher. But we fail to pin the high. But we are at the high. The point is that we are at the high, either above or below, but we are at the high. We have come to retest those people who went short earlier. Now, as you can see, I have my arrow already in here because this is my bias. So what I like to do is I like to, make put an arrow in the second hour before even the second hour starts. That is my thesis. So anytime I'm looking for a setup, I know that this is the guide. This arrow guides me so that I don't get caught up by my emotions, or the market might manipulate you. I know that we are headed down. No, there is no negotiating. So if it does not give me any setup, I am not in. So this is where we break structure. As you can see, the market has broken structure here. So what am I looking for? I'm looking for a retest and an engulfment. And this is where my engulfment is, at 337. For a nice, so as you can see, this is the actual trade that happened yesterday, live time. And as you can see where my entry is, this is where my entry is, just after the close of that engulfment. Now, as I've said before, London right now has a lot of volatility, especially when it's in gold and Nasdaq. So you find that, you risk a lot of money, but the reward is also very good, because as you can see, this is a nice 120 pips, easy, in just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 minutes. You're in and out. Alright? Now, what I want to talk about in terms of trading is your mind. You have to get your mind right, because even if you understand your structure, even if you understand the market in and out, if you are not mentally present, then you cannot be able to trade well lifetime. You must be mentally present. That is when you can be able to distinguish between three very good setups. Which of these three setups will give me the best opportunity to squeeze the most out of the market? Alright. Now, also Nasdaq yesterday during the New York session gave us a nice setup, you know. Yeah, it gave us a nice setup. Now, as usual, the first hour sets the high and the low of the session, as you can see. Now, you see, even in gold, even before I continue with that trade, you can see my thesis already during the London session. We are going up, and it went up, it went higher, it went about 1,000 pips. But I'm interested in the New York session. So the New York session gives us a high and a low. Now, once I see a setup form during the first 15 minutes candle of the second hour, I know that we will definitely come back to stop hunt that high. So I waited for the market to come and stop hunt, and then this was a nice entry at 1950. These two candles represent an engulfment of this candle, and well, I got in here at 954 for a nice, it was 150 pips. Yes, I got in here, nice 50 pips stop loss for a 100, and it went for 300, even I think 500 pips, easy 500 pips. But I got in, got out at 150 pips in just two candles, in and out, in and out. Take your money, close your computer or your phone or whatever, and move on. Alright, the market might take your money if you're not careful. So get in, get out, get in, get out. That's the strategy. Get in, get out. Anyway, guys, so it's all about discipline. It's all about, you know, being present, being at the present moment, and connecting the dots. Every single day is an opportunity for you to know how either not to trade or to trade better. So hopefully you got value from today's video. Stay disciplined, stay focused. May the markets go with you. See you in the next video.